Hello, YouTube family. I wanted to ask you a question. What if I found the holy grail of preparedness? Stick around. So I ran across this company called Nona. And to say that I ran across it would be an outright lie. Actually, I got an email last week from MIT. They wanted to talk to me about what I thought about a specific product. I thought, hey, what the hell? This isn't the first time I've got an email from MIT. Last time, I just wasn't interested in the product. This time, I think I found something for you guys. Don't take my word for it. Don't believe anything I'm about to say, but listen, I'm going to ask you to watch a video. And I think it's going to explain exactly what I'm talking about.
Hi, I'm Bruce. I'm representing Team Nona, and our mission is to make portable desalination sustainable and easy. This is a picture of a Houston suburb after Hurricane Harvey in 2017. Now, you may look at this picture and think, water scarcity? Those people have too much water. And you're right, but the flood water you see is mixed with salt water from the Gulf, sewage from water treatment plants that were flooded, chemicals from the local refinery, and even E. coli from cattle ranches nearby. An estimated 500,000 people were left without access to clean drinking water after this disaster. In some cases, it lasted for up to 2 months. People were advised not to drink their tap water. And we normally think of water scarcity as a problem for the developing world. But in reality, it's a growing problem even for the developed world. If you think about tropical storms, drought, infrastructure crises that crop up, like in Flint. So I want you to think and ask yourself, what would you do to be prepared to not run out of water in a crisis like this? The answer for most people is hoard bottled water. But bottled water has some problems. Number one, it takes a lot of space. Number two, it runs out, so you need a lot of it. A family of 4 to last 2 months would need an entire pallet of bottled water. And that's expensive. That $500 pallet of water in your garage needs to be replaced every year because bottled water expires. Most people don't know that. There is an ideal solution called portable desalination. These devices, which you see on the right, allow a person to take seawater, floodwater, lake water, anything, and turn it into clean drinking water. And that's amazing. Why haven't you heard of this? Because these devices that are on the market today have some big problems. Number one, they're difficult to use. Number two, they're expensive. You're going to pay at least $4,000 for a device like this. Number three, they're not all that portable. The smallest one that boasts how portable they are is like 75 pounds and quite bulky. This is the scale. And fourth, it requires a lot of electricity. So there was a storm, your power's out, what do? You need a generator. Our solution does what the competition does. It turns seawater into drinking water, but it does so completely off-grid, just using a small solar panel. It's compact. Think 1 case of bottled water. That's the size and weight. It's economical. We can have a 40% margin, and it's easy to use. Single button operation. That's it. So why can we achieve these specs and our competition can't? Well, it's because they use a century-old technology called reverse osmosis, where essentially water is shoved through a membrane at upwards of 800 psi, and that takes super high pressure. If you have a high-pressure pump, you need a lot of electricity. If you've ever heard that desalination is expensive or energy-intensive, it is, and this is why. Our solution uses technology that was developed here at MIT in the Research Laboratory of Electronics. We never push water through a membrane. We pass it through a channel and suck out the salt and the bacteria using an electrical current. Because we can do all this at super low pressure, we don't need a high-pressure pump. And because of that, we don't need much electricity at all. Our device runs on less power than a cell phone charger. Well, I'm happy to report that we have a prototype that works in the real world. It just needs to be scaled up a little bit to be exactly what our customers want. But it does work. We have three patents. We've been funded by the US Army. We've been funded by JWAFs. We've talked to lots of super enthusiastic customers and beta testers. With our 100K winnings, we plan to primarily put beta prototypes in the hands of customers. We want to verify that product market fit, and we want to make sure our device can stand up to the demands of the real world, day in and day out. And we are making portable desalination sustainable and easy. Thank you.
I hope that caught your attention, because this company is up and coming. It's just starting up. They've got some backing, clearly from some very high-end players. And I had the chance to sit down and speak with the CEO of this company today for about 45-50 minutes. Some solid interaction, some back and forth, what preppers like, and what the product can actually do for preppers, let alone preparedness in general. This really is the holy grail, because without water, we all go. We all pass. We all go bye-bye. This device gives you the ability to turn seawater into drinkable water in seconds, if not minutes. Pump it in, put it into any stream, and it's going to pull everything, any type of particulate whatsoever, out of that water. This is actually groundbreaking technology. Now, here's what I'm going to ask you to do. It's a brand new company. I think you should stay on top of it. You guys know that I do not endorse any company that I don't believe in. So far, this company has done nothing but gives me goosebumps about the future. It's so positive. Now, here's what I want you to do. This is all I'm going to ask you to do. Link down below to their website, not mine. And by the way, I'm not getting paid a penny for this. I want you to sign up for their newsletter so that you can stay informed as to what is happening with this product. They're talking about beta testers. You could end up being a beta tester. They're talking about the possibility of pre-orders. And we talked about price too, guys. I told them we got to get the price down. And they're like, okay. And I gave them some ideas to fix that. And they seemed very, very receptive. Okay. I think that's about it for right now. I'm going to keep an eye on these guys. And I want you to do the same. Because, like I said, this is the holy grail of preparedness, guys. This is it. This is better than propane power generator. This is better than solar power ice makers. This is the real deal. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for watching, and I hope you decide to support the page. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and hit the link below. If it didn't take you directly to it, you can just hit the support page. That's what it should look like. All you have to do is either hit the Patreon symbol or the join button. Doesn't matter. Just hit it, and that'll get you started. It's $3 a month for 30-ish days of work from me. The price of a Starbucks coffee. So, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.